asking, you want cinnamon rolls? I'll give you the best you've ever had.
Half a cup of milk, about 98 degrees Fahrenheit. 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. Give that a little mix. Let that sit 10 minutes.
3 cups of all-purpose flour.
3 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add your milk and yeast mixture. 2 room temperature eggs. 2.5 tablespoons of water. Mix for 5 minutes. 3.5 tablespoons unsalted butter. 5 more minutes.
Shape that into a ball. Grease bowl in wet towel.
1.5 hours. Or until doubled, mad thick.
You're doing punch it down. Flour work surface. Your dough out.
Half a cup dark brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Mix that up. Flour at the top. Roll your dough into an 18-inch rectangle. Melted butter. Put on your sugar mixture. Rolling it up. Your dough into 9 equal pieces.
Evenly spaced apart.
Wet towel 30 minutes.
In the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
20 to 25 minutes.
Let them cool to room temp. Just glaze those buns. Yeah. Yes. Glazed top, caramelized bottom. This
is how you make the greatest